Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So in this video, we are going to talk about a platform called n8n. So this platform helps you to automate the business process automations. So the folks who are interested in developing the AI agents, they can go with these sort of platform. So n8n is one of the leading platform in the market currently. But the cons which came across is the pricing structure of the n8n. And if you see, the pro plan costs somewhere 50 euro per month. Usually it is shown in US dollars. I don't know why it is showing euro. And that too, it is annually. If you switch it to monthly, it is 60 euro per month. The interesting thing is n8n is open source. That means you can self-host it for yourself. For that, we are going to use a service called Railway, which is comparatively going to be very cheap than what n8n is charging us for its monthly plan. If you go annually, it is like 50 US dollars per month. So what you need to do is come to the Railway and sign in here. So basically, I can go ahead and sign in using a GitHub as well. So let's see how we are going to deploy this for ourselves. And this account comes with free trial credits. I have already utilized couple of them and I have remained with $1.9. So what you need to do is click on new and click on deploy template. Search here n8n. So that's where this n8n with workers. Simply click on this and you can go ahead and utilize the default services. No need to change these as such. Simply click on deploy. So it says creating a project. So let it deploy, and now it says deployment created. We see all the four services are being deployed. Redis and the Postgres both are deployed successfully. So we see this service has been deployed successfully. Click on this tab. You should see the URL to access your instance. Click on this instance. As part of the first step, you need to set up your account. I have added my details. This is the pop-up you'll get once you click on submit. So please do add these details, maybe author and maybe author. Well, there is no option to skip this, so add the okay. Click on get started. Skip this, and now you see the editor by n8n, which is running on the railway service. We can also start from scratch or test a ready to go AI agent templates examples as well. So it will give you this example, and basically in order to test this, you'll have to add the API key here of the OpenAI model as well as the credentials for Google Calendar. This was a short video on how do you set up a n8n on the railway service. Once this free trial credits gets expired, you can always go ahead and choose for the paid one. So if you see the pricing of the railway, it is pretty cheap. That is, let's go ahead and click on this pricing, and you see $5 per month. Okay, so it is for 8 GB RAM and 8 virtual CPUs per service. So basically, even if you are a hobbyist, okay, and you want to explore the n8n on your own, do a little side projects, try to understand how it is working, so and so forth. This is the best way to go ahead with. Reason being, n8n comes with 14 days trial account, and once the 14 days trial period expires, you won't be having the access to workspace. So be careful with that. If you're using a trial account, you won't be able to log in again and get your workflows. So that is something you need to get only after subscribing to that pro or the starter plan. So the best thing what you can do is deploy the n8n on services such as railway and work on these, and you can also save your data. So it's more of like you have full control over how these instances work. So this was a short demo on how do you self-host your n8n, and save a lot of money currently comparing what n8n is offering us in the pro plan. All right, so that was all from this video on how do you self host the n8n instance on the railway. And do try this out and let me know your thoughts in the comment. Thank you.